Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I feel like I need to get a new intro. I feel like a broken record sometimes, but regardless, we have a few non-phone work from home jobs for you today. I threw all the non-phone stuff in at the beginning. I think 3 jobs are non-phone, and then I have 3 jobs to share that are more maybe some phone work, like administrative work, picking up the phone, making outbound phone calls, things like that. As always, links, timestamps, all additional information you may need to get to any of the pages I'm sharing or navigate around this video can be found in the YouTube description box below the video. Real quickly, before we dive in, I do want to say early this morning, I posted a poll on my community page or post page. So if you go to my channel page and go to the post, if it hasn't shown up for you, or my post tab, it should be the first to post there. It is specifically asking if you are looking for product recommendations. Maybe you are in the market for, a new conditioner or something that would make your hair soft, or maybe you are in the market for new pots and pans for your kitchen, whatever it is. How do you go about finding product recommendations, or if you already know a product you're going to buy, but you're looking for like promo codes, discount codes, things like that? Where do you go searching those out? Do you just use good old Google? Do you look on YouTube? Do you use other social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook? So if you wouldn't mind, please going, if you have not already, and thank you to those who have responded already, and going and answering that poll. I know it's kind of a weird question to ask on a work from home jobs channel, but I promise it has meaning. I am working on a little bit different kind of video, and I'm just collecting data to be presented in that video. But without wasting any more time, first up in today's video, we have Natera hiring. They have 928 reviews, an overall rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for remote work from home insurance payment poster. Now, it does say this is temp to hire, so you're going to be hired on originally as a temporary employee. That means that you're not going to have any insurance benefits or anything right away, but it does look like they are looking, if as long as it works out, they're kind of trying you out on a trial basis, but as long as everything goes well, they're hiring you permanently is what that sounds like to me. But they're looking for somebody to post payments and transactions in their billing systems for various payers, insurance payers like Medicare, Medicaid, or your commercial plans like Blue Cross, Blue Shield, United Healthcare, all of those things. So you are just making sure the proper billing processes are followed. And then when you get that explanation of benefits from the insurance carriers, whether they denied a claim, whether they paid a claim, whether they processed it towards a patient's copay deductible, you're going to post those appropriate payment denial and remark codes from that explanation of benefits into the system, just reconciling and supporting all of the cash policies and procedures. You are working with any inconsistencies, missing data, so you're double checking things. Of course, this is healthcare related, following HIPAA guidelines. Only requires a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has 2 years of experience in either health insurance billing or knowledge of third-party insurance, different payment types like HMO, PPOs, 1 year of accounting experience. Other than that, just strong data entry skills, great attention to detail, great organizational skills. Now, pay for this is depending on your experience and location, but goes anywhere from $17.19 an hour up to $21.49 an hour. Next up, we have Guardian Life hiring. They are more than just a life insurance company. They offer multiple different insurance programs or policies, but they have 1,700 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a dental claims approver. This is fully remote for the United States. Please note this is an entry-level position, so the starting rate of pay is only going to be $16.83 an hour, but they do give you a 3% annual raise or bonus. But basically, again, it's an entry-level dental claims approver. You're processing the customer's dental claims that come in timely and accurately. So you're going to process data entered, scanned, or electronically submitted into the computer system. So Guardian, of course, is an insurance company. They offer dental insurance policies. So people who have the insurance, when they go to the dentist, their dentist, whatever they do, they're going to bill a claim to the insurance company. That's generally what happens: medical, dental, vision, all the things. And so you're going to be looking at that information that the doctors or dental office, the dentist or whatever, the dental office that the patient was seen at has submitted. Most of the time, those are submitted electronically through a computer system, or maybe they're scanned and emailed or faxed in, things like that. You're looking at all this electronic document and double checking it per the policy. You're probably going to pull up the patient's plan and make sure that they have coverage for the things that are done. And then you get to check yes or no, pay the dentist or don't pay the dentist. So you've got to have great math skills, great organization, and great kind of analytical skills, problem solving skills. You're really just applying those laws and processing rules to these claims and just making the decision. Now, no college degree is needed for this one, although no, it does state no phone work is required. You're completely processing everything through the electronic system. However, they are open from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And so they are looking for someone who can have a little bit of flexibility in your start time between 6 a.m. and 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you're outside of the time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. Now, if you're looking for part-time, the company Marco Polo is hiring. They only have 44 reviews on Glassdoor, so make sure you do your own research. They have a high employee satisfaction rating, though, at 4.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer support specialist. This is going to be non-phone or mostly non-phone. It is part-time, remote. Now, Marco Polo is a video chat app that was created to help people feel close to each other. And so they are looking for somebody to part-time provide customer support for this app. So you're responding to, managing, and organizing those customer questions that come in through a variety of sources, including the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, through email submissions, or through Instagram. So all non-phone, like social media type or email type things. You are using Marco Polo app. You're going to use the app yourself. So you're going to video chat some with your teammates that you work with, so you can understand the app, how it works, and kind of gain that product expertise. So then you can kind of use your own personal experiences to help the customers with any questions or concerns they have. So you're just collecting user feedback for the product and other teams. They're looking for somebody to work between 20 to 29 hours a week. They do need somebody to work some weekends like Saturdays. No college degree is needed, just somebody who can provide great customer support, somebody who can be warm, friendly, upbeat, great communication skills. And of course, they're looking for somebody to kind of be flexible in the hours that you work. Saturdays, working other like evening off shift hours and business times. So they're really looking for that person who does want to work kind of evenings, weekends, things like that. Somebody who can kind of work part-time around other jobs or other responsibilities. Pay for this position is $20 an hour. Next up, we have Muck Rack hiring. They have 117 reviews, an overall rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an administrative assistant for their go-to market, of course, remote for the United States. They're really looking for somebody to coordinate schedules across different time zones, kind of coordinate meetings for prospects, customers, candidates, and their internal teams. So you're going to do a lot of administrative work, like setting up meetings, managing calendars. You're assisting with scheduling the logistics for like interviews, weekly workshops, team dinners that the other team members are going to attend, different gatherings. You're booking virtual and in-person meals and events for the teams, taking meeting notes. So you're sitting in the meeting and kind of taking notes, and you'll probably send out the meeting minutes or briefing in an email or something after. You're coordinating gift orders for the team customers, team members, customers, prospects, all of that kind of stuff. So basically all of the administrative paperwork type stuff. So this might require you to make some outbound phone calls, pick up the phone, call people if you're scheduling things. If you're booking like hotels, venues, restaurants for like dinners and things like that, you might have to pick up the phone and reach out to them to make that reservation. I know a lot of things like that can be done online these days, but depending on what you're doing. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree. They're just looking for somebody who has 2 to 4 years of administrative experience supporting like a revenue type executive, somebody who has experience working in a non-office environment, like already working remote. Somebody who is tech savvy. You can work with like Google Calendar, Gmail Suite, Google presentations, or like Microsoft PowerPoint, Zoom meetings, things like that. You have great time management skills. Pay is anywhere from $75,000 a year up to $80,000 a year. $75,000 a year broken down to 52 weeks in a year, 40 hours in a general work week is $36.05 to $36.06 an hour. Keeping it moving. Next up, we have ADT hiring. They have 5,300 reviews, an overall rating of 2.9 out of 5 stars. But they are looking for admin processor for their ADT Health. Now, I need one of you, if you are interested in this job, to let us know down in the comments. I love how we all help each other in the comments. The community that we've kind of built on this channel is like none other, and I absolutely love it. I only know and share what I find online. I don't work for any of these companies. So generally, ADT is a nationwide company, so that I would expect them to be hiring throughout the United States. And in their job posting, they don't state that they have any state restrictions, but it does say that it is based out of Florida remote. So I don't know if just ADT is headquartered in Florida. But when you click the apply now button, you have to enter like a whole email address and set up an account, which I don't want to do. So if anyone does this, please let us know down below if the application says anything specific about state restrictions. But regardless, ADT is looking for somebody to process health referral orders, assisting with scheduling and coordinating installations, answering incoming phone calls, making outbound phone calls. So this is going to kind of have a customer service aspect to it. You're going to do multi-system data entry, entering account information and building accounts out in like their Salesforce systems, Oracle, things like that. And of course, picking programming equipment for direct consumer shipping. Make sure that you've got the orders put in the system so things get shipped out to the customer. So ADT, it's a whole like security system, but not only is it like home security, making sure break-ins don't happen, but they have a health aspect of it. So, you know, like if you need, I think most home security systems, like you can hit the call like emergency button, and it's not just for break-ins or whatever. If you have fallen or you need help in your house, you need any kind of emergency services, including like medical emergency services, those will get dispatched to you. They only require a high school diploma, 2 years of some kind of office skills or experience, somebody who can multitask and have great communication skills, speak on the phone to customers like in a very friendly, warm way. And sadly, pay was not listed for this one. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. And of course, last but not least, we have a FullSteam hiring. They only have 35 reviews. So again, do your own research. They have 3.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a technical support specialist. This is remote for the United States. Now, they are specifically looking for somebody to provide tech support for their Party Center software. So you're working with customers to solve their issues and educate them about the software, what features that it offers based on their needs. So you're going to have to learn the Party Center software, staying up to date on any changes, and just moving between incoming website chats, emails, and phone calls as needed. Onboarding new customers, kind of helping them get set up in the software. So kind of training them basically the first time on how to use it, troubleshooting any of their tech issues. Now, they only require somebody who has experience, at least 2 years in some kind of tech support role, great communication skills, somebody who's worked with like ticketing systems like Salesforce or Zendesk before. They do want somebody who's experienced with Jira or Confluence, I believe, HTML, CSS, kind of like web editing type things, but no college degree is needed. And again, this is another one that did not list pay. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. If you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I hope everyone has a fabulous day ahead, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.